The user can manipulate reality with any means within the context of the mind. This includes one's imaginations, thoughts, emotions, desires, beliefs, or various other aspects of the mind. The distinctions between mentifery and reality warping are in potency, range of applications, and methods in how they are applied to reality. Reality warpers can use dreams, energy matter, dimensional manipulation or space-time, electromagnetism, psionics, or anything to freely command reality according to one's consciousness desire. Reality warping is a collective term for any character that can manipulate reality through any medium. Sometimes mentifery and psycho-warping are misinterpreted as the same. They both use their mentality/mind and connections to it to manipulate reality. The distinction that separates these powers is psycho-warping uses specifically raw will and sixth sense/psychic power. However, mentifery is absolutely focused on manipulating reality through the mind in its entirety. Their thoughts, emotions, imagination, hallucinations, delusions, sixth sense, ideas, creativity, wants, etc. are the main factor for their impact on the entirety of existence. Users can use their own conscious, subconscious, unconscious, or superconscious imagination, creativity, thoughts, emotions, memories, dreams, also in a dualistic way. The user can change, reshape, and have authority over existence through preservation or unaware manipulation. Mentifery is considered the purest, original, and most robust variation of reality warping due to commonly displaying the user's ability as omnipotent in their franchise, and the most common method characters can manipulate reality. Due to being powered by the mind, the user can accomplish any application by simply wanting it to happen. As the user's mind expands on information, ideas, creativity, and desires, their range of applications grows. For example, by achieving immense knowledge about the universe and its characteristics, from the planets, galaxies, dark matter, subatomic particles, etc., their mind can gain cognizance of its entirety and freely manipulate its contents. However, the user's emotional and mental state may determine the consequences of their powers. If their feeling is positive, the power will affect reality to bring affirmative and positive events in their lives, new capabilities, manifesting riches, partners, any degree of luck and happiness, etc. If they encounter depression, schizophrenia, mania, anxiety, dissociation, or any mental disturbance and illness, their powers could respond to those distorted mentalities from summoning monstrous psychological creatures only alive from their subconscious due to anxiety and fear, disturbing reality by materializing any delusion or hallucination. The user's nightmares could bring about the apocalypse, genocides, and the extermination of the universe. In conclusion, the user possesses the potential to become a nigh omnipotent reality warper due to their near-limitless imagination and thoughts. Another byproduct of their mental state is manipulating reality without one's awareness or moderation. That means even the subconscious desires are realizable, which can induce events that contradict existence, causing paradoxes that deny and rebel against any physical law. These changes can be permanent or temporary, depending on the user. At simple levels, mentifery first appears as imagination manifestation, bending the laws of physics, giving themselves abnormal condition powered by their imagination, and manifesting any weapon, creature, tool, or equipment. The user can bring fictional characters into actuality, or even transport themselves into the fictional universes of said characters, bring fictional events from video games, and remake themselves to gain different appearances, powers, or original identities. At advanced and master levels, the user can manipulate the laws of physics at will: matter, energy, space-time, atoms, elementary particles, nuclear reactions, or even ignore them as if they didn't exist, control planets, moons, stars, planetary systems, molecular clouds, nebulas to groups, clusters, and superclusters of gazillions of galaxies. At ultimate or absolute levels, the user can manipulate both reality and unreality on a universal, multiversal, omniversal scale, or possibly all totality, to the point of being capable of doing anything and everything through the mind. Reality is just the user's sandbox, creating, changing, and destroying anything within it and out of it, because they can.